Hey YouTube, today I'll be doing an unboxing on my MacBookPro charger. So I'll open it. I got this off the website for about 90 bucks. Well, with tax 100. Alright, it's open and there she is. And I got, yeah, 60 watts, MagSafe. Here it is. So I'll get that open. 1 second, guys. Alright, so now put the plastic on. I got this from Apple, like I said earlier. Let me just put the camera down. Hold on. Alright. Alright, I got this thing here. The charger itself. And the cable. Thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe. See you guys.